Japan is known for its cat islands, so we just had to visit one of them. Dito kami dumayo sa Enoshima Island na pinakamadaling i-date from Fukuoka. Enoshima is home to this cutesy cats. Sobrang cute at ang tataba ng mga cats dito. It is said that the island has about 200 plus cats and about 200 plus residents. So halos magkasing dami na yung cats and residents nila dito. This island has been featured in CNN before and has been tagged as one of the 6 cat spots in the world. Kaya madami-dami rin talaga ang tourists dito. Sobrang lambing na mga stray cats dito. So bungad pa lang sasalubong na sila sa'yo, hihilata at magpapapit. Kakaiba rin yung mga stray cats na to kasi sobrang friendly talaga nila. Hindi sila ilag sa mga tao. There was a mixed opinion about feeding them. Yung iba sabi wag daw pakainin. Yung iba naman sabi okay lang as long as cat food lang. We weren't so sure about it so we just decided to play with them. Malinis sila actually and parang well-fed rin naman. May ilan lang kaming cats na napansin na parang may sakit. But even if you're not a cat person, mag-enjoy pa rin kayo dito kasi maganda talaga yung island. Very nice sa photos lalo na kung may backdrop ng mountain at ng mga boats. Marami pang tourist spots around the island pero sa bungad na lang kami umikot since yung cats lang naman talaga yung pinuntahan namin dito. Sikat na rin tong island sa mga birdwatchers. To get here, we first had to get to Hakata Station. And then from here, we took the JR line going to Fukodaimae Station which took us 10 minutes. Price was 280 yen. From here, may community bus na going to Shingu Port. 10 minutes ang biyahe, 100 yen ang bayad. Cash lang ang mode of payment nito. Sobrang limited lang ang schedule nitong bus and ito yung schedule na nakita namin. Actually, hindi namin siya naabutan nung papunta kami kaya nagtaxi na lang kami which cost us 1,690 yen. Pagbaba namin sa Shingu Port, bumili kami ng one-way ticket sa kiosk for 460 yen and then we took the ferry for less than 20 minutes. Ito yung schedule ng ferries from Shingu Port to Enoshima Island. And then, ito naman yung pabalik. Nagbabago-bago yung schedule ng ferry depende sa month, so take note. Also, napupuna yung ferry ha, so agahan nyo para makaupo kayo. By the way, if you're booking any travel activities while in Japan, do visit Klook for discounted tickets. Make sure to use our promo codes TRAVELERKLOOK and FIVEKLOOK before payment para makatipid kayo ng konti. So, just a few things to note before coming here. Number 1, kumain kayo. Walang convenience store dito at limited lang ang restaurants. To be fair, masarap yung nakainan naming restaurant na nasa tabi lang ng ticket counter. Yun nga lang, 11:30 AM pa sila nagbubukas. Actually, halos lahat ng restaurants doon around 11 or 12 pa nag-open. And then doon sa tabi noon, doon naman kami kumain ng ice cream for dessert. Ang bait ni Mother, tinulungan niya kaming ubusin yung mga coins namin dito. Number 2, residential area pa rin to. People live in the houses here. Actually, may school pa nga dito at ang dami naming students na nakita. So just a reminder to respect their houses and keep our voices down. Number 3, malalayo ang agwat ng schedule ng buses at ng ferries. Kaya make sure to plan ahead. When you get to the island, unahin yung bumili ng ticket pabalik para hindi na kayo mag-hol sa oras. Nung pabalik na, same way pa rin, we took the ferry back to Shingu Port, took the community bus to Fukodaimae Station, and then JR train to Hakata Station. Number 4, check the weather before coming. May tendency raw na makancel ang ferry rides pag malakas ang ulan. Pag sobrang init naman, don't forget to wear sunscreen. So there you go. Enjoy Japan!